Hello friends, today we are discussing about the topic is access modifier and non-access modifier. So Java provides two types of modifiers. One is access modifiers and another one is non-access modifier. Access modifiers are used to control the visibility of a class or a variable or a method or a constructor. Whereas non-access modifier used to provide other functionalities like synchronizing or a method or block, restricting the serialization of a variable, etc. In this post, we will discuss what the access and non-access modifier in the Java. Access modifier in Java. Let's first point. Access modifier in Java. As already said, access modifier are used to control the visibility of a code, visibility of a class or a method or a variable or a constructor. There are four different access modifiers are available in Java. They are private, default, public and protected. So we are discussing on first access modifier is private. So private members of a class, whether it is a field or a method or a constructor, can be accessed over outside the class in which they are defined. Provide members are also not inherit to subclass. So next access modifier is default access modifier. Default members or members with no access modifiers are visible within the package and they are inherit to only subclasses which 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 result in the some packages. That means they are not inherited and visible outside the package. Public access modifiers. So in public access modifier, public members are visible anywhere, everywhere, and they are inherit to any subclass. So let's next access modifier is protected access modifier. Protected members have half the characterization of public members and have the characteristics of default members. Example, protected members are visible. Protected members are visible within the package like default members and they are can be inherited to any subclass just like public members. So next main topic is non-access modifier. So discussing on non-access modifiers in Java. Java provides some other modifiers to provide the functionalities other than the visibility. These modifiers are also called as non-access modifier. There are many non-access modifiers available in Java. Each modifiers have their own functionalities. Some of the most used non-access modifiers are listed below. First one non-access modifier is static. The member which are declared as static are common to all instances of class. Static members are class level members which are stored in the class memory. So let's going to second one is non-access modifier is final. The final modifier is used to restrict the further modification of a variable or a method or a class. The value of a variable which is declared as final can't be modified. Once it gets a value, a final method cannot be overridden in the subclass. And you cannot create a subclass to a final class. So now let's go to non-access modifier is abstract. This modifier can be used to either with a class within a method. You cannot apply with modifiers to variables and constructors. A method which is declared as abstract method must be modified in the subclass. You can't instantiate a class which is declared as abstract. So next going to non-access modifier is synchronize. This modifier is used to control the access of a particular method or a block by multiple threads. Only one thread can enter into a method or a block which is declared as synchronize. So let's go into next non-access modifier is transist. This modifier is used to serialization process. A variable which is declared as transist will not be serialization during object serialization. So next we are going to non-access modifier is volatile. Volatile modifier is used to multi-threading programming. Is if you are declared as a field is volatile. Thank you.